In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Paperform. This process will help streamline your workflow by connecting your online forms directly to your Slack workspace, allowing you to efficiently manage form submissions and notifications without having to constantly switch between platforms. First, let's start with opening the Paperform editor. Navigate to the specific form you want to connect to Slack. Opening the correct form is crucial since the integration will be specific to that particular setup. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to direct your attention to the After Submission tab. This tab is key to setting up various integrations and webhooks that can significantly enhance how your forms interact with other applications. Next, go ahead and select Integrations and Webhooks. This section offers a range of options for direct integrations with numerous services. Here, under the Direct Integrations heading, you should see the Slack icon. Click on it to proceed. Slack is a popular choice for team communication, and integrating it with your form can keep your team updated in real time as new responses come in. After clicking on the Slack icon, you will be prompted to choose an action. This step is where you decide what exactly happens in Slack when a form is submitted. A common choice is to send a message to a specific channel, but depending on your needs, there might be other actions that better suit your workflow. Now it's time to connect your Slack account to Paperform. You'll see an option to add account plus. Follow the prompts to log into your Slack workspace. During this process, you'll need to authorize Paperform to access your Slack account. This authorization is essential as it enables the integration to function correctly, allowing Paperform to take the specified actions in your Slack workspace. Once your account is connected, it's time to configure the integration. Here, you'll map the data from your form fields to the corresponding fields in your Slack action. For example, if you want to include the respondent's name in the Slack message, make sure to map the name question field from your form to the message body. Before you conclude the setup, it's always a good idea to test the integration to ensure everything is working as expected. Click Send Test to perform a dry run of the integration. This test will trigger the action as if a form submission occurred, and you'll see how it appears in Slack. If everything looks good, proceed by selecting Finish Setup to save your integration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Slack with Paperform, which will help improve your form processing efficiency by instantly notifying your team in Slack when new submissions are received. This streamlined communication makes it easier to stay on top of important updates and respond promptly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Paperform and Slack integration.